Lamb's ear is a species of a flowering plant in the mint family, native to Armenia, Iran, and Turkey. It is cultivated over much of the temperate world as an ornamental plant and is naturalized in some locations as an escapee from gardens. The plant grows into a dense clump of thick, soft, velvety, silver-green leaves that form a low-spreading ground cover. They are evergreen in warmer climates. In summer, tiny purplish pink flowers appear that are best removed to enhance the foliage and to help maintain its compact habit. Lamb's ear grows well in average, dry to medium, very well drained soils, in full sun to partial shade. Avoid overwatering as wet leaves invite disease, as do high humidity summers. The plant likes some afternoon shade, particularly in the hot summer. It spreads by stems rooting at the nodes and can be aggressive in good conditions. Division of the plant may be required about every 2 to 4 years. The plant is deer resistant and moderately drought tolerant once established. Good companion plants include black-eyed Susan, daylily, and yarrow. These 3 companion plants are quite low in maintenance and can be great for sunny and low water situations. They can go well with lamb's ear. Medicinal oil is made of a maceration of dried plants and vegetable oil, often olive. This medicinal oil has antibacterial, antiseptic, astringent, and anti-inflammatory properties.